Alright guys, here's the deal. I know we had to take a little road trip, and I hope you enjoyed the videos of Detroit Speed and our Dream Auto. I definitely did. But today guys, we got to get back on Pop's car. We're very close. We got a lot to do today, and I'm gonna go ahead and cover a few of the things. I already did, not on camera, swap the radiator out, so it's good to go. No more leaks, no more holes. Fixed some wiring issues over there, and got that straightened around. I did from LMR get a fresh Motorcraft sticker for the airbox, fresh hardware for the airbox. But the project really today is actuators. Guys, if you've never done actuators, if your doors don't lock, you're definitely going to want to watch this video. I got scuff plates from LMR. Let's see, we got scuff plate screws. So yeah, we're about to get busy. And actually, before we go any farther, Dover has like the crown jewel, like you see the outside of the box, it says optic armor. And these are for the race car, which we'll get to the race car one of these days. But guys, we have never before seen or handled these. These are the optic armor quarter glasses. And they are, it's just like a stock. I mean, what do they, let's start with what they weigh. Like we could play Frisbee with this, guys, and you don't want to because they're like 800, what, 900 bucks?
950 shipped.
950 shipped. But I'm going to give you a close-up. And of course, you can see through it. And you got your text right there.
It's just like a stock one.
But I mean, they look just like a stock one. Again, I'll give you an idea of the texture. Yeah, it's got all the studs there. And they literally weigh nothing.
It's not rubber, so it's not going.
Right.
It comes with the hardware.
Yeah, so you're not gonna, you know, the sun's not gonna come back and take these out. And they really do. They look amazing. They even got like the little dot matrix in there. I mean, you can tint them. I mean, whatever you want to do. Then there's the hardware right there.
Like, this is light tint. You can get dark tint or clear.
That is amazing. It is pretty wild.
Yeah,
it's the first.
It fits good too. We stuck it in this one.
It's the first set we've ever seen. Yeah, let's see what they look like on the car. Careful with them. Let's see here. Let me come around this side here. Wow. Yeah, there you go, boys. Optic armor quarter glasses in the car, and once they're tightened down, they'll sit flush. But
yeah, it looks nice. That
looks amazing, and you'll never have to worry with them again. That's pretty awesome. I'm jelly. I need a set. Maybe if I can get Pop's car and Ford 8 done, maybe my car will get a little love. Who knows, you know? But that's what's going on, guys. We got to get the sill plates in. I did actually. Let me go ahead and show you real quick. I did this off camera, but put a new ignition switch in it because pretty sure that was a major draw we had going. And then I put the kick panels in, which you can't see. But first and foremost, I'm going to get these door panels off. We're going to show you how to do how to put some door lock actuators in. All right, guys, real quick, if you've never taken door panels off, screw, 2 bolts right here, and then this kit that we got from LMR even comes with the tool to pop the little Christmas trees off. So let's pop this door panel off. Like with everything we've done on this car, at some point, I don't even know what this is.
Tied it to the rod.
Yeah, they cut off the factory harness again, put this in there. I don't know if this is for like a keyless entry or what, but so now we gotta go find a connector. And they had already taken the other actuator out. Luckily the bracket's still there and the rod's still there. So we gotta run out back and find the right clip. And I'm just hoping, I haven't gotten the other door panel off. I'm just hoping that one's not the same way, but I'm gonna guess it probably is. So
they probably weren't concerned about this.
Probably not. All right, well, let's go hunt, see what we can find. This door is just hanging here. Let's see a harness in there. Let's see. Bet this one does. If I can get this door to open. There it is. Let's see. If I can get that panel off. Yeah, this one's got it. It's got a... Okay. Got it. Sweet. I guess we'll find out in a minute if the other one's cut off. All right, guys, so we got both door panels off, and we've got this harness spliced back in there. Got the actuator in, and we still got nothing. We already swapped the switch. It's acting like the battery is dead again. The brand new OE battery is dead, so I'm not 100% sure why it keeps killing the battery. We thought it was the ignition switch. Swap that. Could just be a bad battery. I don't even know. But back on what we were doing, I pulled these out of the that car out back because we got speaker grills. So I'm going to put these speaker grills in the door panels. I don't know. I'm looking at these right now. Neither of them are horrible. They need a little bit of cleaning, but there's no holes. So this is the original door panel, and that's one out of the 89 out back. And I think I'm going to use this. I'm just going to pull the speaker grill off of that. The bottom's not bad. It's just, I'm just missing the grill. So I think that's what we're going to do. And then as far as the passenger goes, I think I'm just going to pull that grill too, because neither of them had grills in them. So also did rescue some of the armrest plugs, and these were missing some screws, so we got those as well. So recycling, boys, putting everything to good use. All right, guys, so current situation. Now look, we're at some point, will Pop's car get new door panels? Yes. Is that some point now? No. So what I'm doing is just putting these the speaker grills off those door panels. I was gonna take the best 2 out of 4, but the ones out of that car, like, it had water in it or something. As you can see, the bottoms were just done. They're all warped, which these ironically had a little too, but they weren't as bad. These are the originals. So we got the grills out, and I'm trying to glue them through the old holes, and I got them C-clamped on. Hopefully they'll hold. Yeah, eventually it'll get door panels. Today's not that day. I got to finish 4 to 8, and at some point my Coyote car's got to get some love. But Dover's got all the wiring done over here, and hold on. Look at that. Yeah, you like that. All right, boys, so that is current situation. Door locks are work. Bronte, we got door locks, dude.
Oh, yeah, dude?
Yeah, we got door locks, dude.
Cool.
Bro, check this out. You push the button. Look at that.
Oh, look at
Can you believe that? It's like the only Fox body and within 10 miles that has working door locks. They probably won't work for long, but they do work at this point, so we can say we did it. But all right, guys, so yeah, basically normally it's just drill out the rivet, swap it out, plug it in, hook the rod up, boom, done. This turned out to be a little more. Luckily the other side wasn't as bad, right? It's original, but yeah, this one's froze up. We're gonna drill this one out. should be good on both sides. There it is. There's the old. All right, guys. So there's the old one. Here's the new one. And again, yeah, you get the kit from LMR. It comes with literally everything. It's got the correct rod already installed. Comes with your rivets. Comes with the tool. Even comes with the Christmas trees to put your door panel back on right. So definitely recommend just going ahead and getting the kit. Calling it good. All right, boys, we are going back together. Got all the clips here. You just stick them in the big hole and squeeze them down. Good to go. All right, guys, panels are in. The speaker grills, unfortunately, are not holding the way I was hoping. They're on somewhat, but it's not tight. But again, they look 100% better. Still got to do a little bit cleaning on these door panels. They work, but check this out. Lock, unlock, lock, unlock. Whew. All right. Join me here on the driver's side. As you can see, we got a speaker grill and lock, unlock. Man. Again, guys, they're not perfect, and eventually we'll get new ones, but for now, it's 100% better. Got the grills on it, actuators in, even the sill plate. Guys, I didn't even show you the sill plates. They are in. Man. Along with the kick panels, which I gotta show you this side here. It's the little things, boys. It's the details that bring everything together. You see, and of course, pay no attention to this. But guys, it's looking really good. It's come a long way. Still battling a very, very, very bad draw. Like, it literally killed the battery within an hour. So we're gonna have to dive into that, figure out what's going on there. We didn't even start the car, and like, it just sat here with the dome light on for less than an hour, and it killed a fully charged battery. So we're gonna have to figure that out as well. I do gotta get the air box down, but yeah, guys, it's been a freaking crazy day, and still waiting on my bulbs. We're hoping to go ahead and take it home, but again, it keeps throwing us little curveballs here and there. But we'll figure it out. Also, guys, one thing I did not get installed yet. Huge shout out to Eric Wardlow sending this over. Top of the armrest in smoke gray. He had one. He's like, dude, let me send it to you. So huge shout out to Eric for that. I'm gonna get that installed, but like, we're going to call it for today, and I think it's time to kick my feet up, drink some beer, and relax. And we're gonna hope nothing else goes wrong and we can get it out of here and go do some driving, do some burnouts in it, and refocus a little bit. So that is what is up, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up, and if you got any questions, please drop them down in the comments. Glad to answer them if possible. Sometimes, guys, just from sheer volume, I have to bow out of the comments because it's not fair to answer one and not the other, and then when you get into like 500-600 comments, it gets almost impossible to do, which is unfortunate, but it is what it is. So yeah, guys, lots more coming for this, lots more coming for all the builds, and got to refocus, got to get 4 to 8 done, got to get stuff done on the red car. Yeah, so we'll get on it. So big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and catch you next time.